You may think that the Performance Model 3 is so much faster because it has upgraded chassis, upgraded fascia, better suspension, better handling, track mode. No, it's none of those things. It's just a spoiler. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. Now, before you guys all roast me in the comments, I was totally kidding. I know there's more stuff that goes into the performance to make it the fastest car in the world, next to the Model S. But if you want to get yourself a spoiler, now, the spoiler is going to add a little bit of downforce, maybe add a little bit of performance, but not very much. And for the most part, most people who are going to get a spoiler is going to do it for cosmetic reasons. So if you want to get a spoiler for your Tesla Model 3 or Y for that matter, you are going to want to check out the Hansshow version. It comes in both matte and gloss, and both are carbon fiber. Now, it retails for about $300 US, but use promo code NortonTesla to save a bit of money. The install is really easy. All you have to do is remove the tape and stick it on. So we're going to take a quick break for you guys to subscribe, and once we get back, we're going to do the install. All right, so for the install, we're going to let the professionals do it since they have a steady hand, they know what they're doing. We are here at Inception Auto, located in between Burlington and Oakville. So they're going to do the install for me since I'm getting some PPF work done as well. If you are in the Burlington and Oakville area, check out Inception Auto. They do an amazing job, full tint, as well as PPF, all kinds of things, vinyl as well. So check out Lorenzo at Inception Auto if you're in the area. All right, so let's get ready for the install. All right, so your first step is basically a dry run. Without taking any of the tape off the spoiler, put the spoiler on the car, line it up, make sure it's centered, and then mark it off with some tape. One of the tricks that Lorenzo taught me is if you draw a few designs on the tape, when you remove the spoiler and come back to apply it with the adhesive, you can line up these designs for a perfect fit. The next step is to remove the lining on the 3M tape, and then you're going to apply the spoiler on the car, lining up those designs like I said earlier. Once you have the spoiler lined up, you are going to push down, and I'm talking really hard. You're going to push it so much to the point that the car is moving to really get that adhesive to stick. Another thing Lorenzo did is to apply some tape to the ends of the spoiler, just to get some extra leverage to really get those ends to stick. And that is basically it. You can remove the tape after a few minutes, and you now have a beautiful carbon fiber spoiler on your Tesla. So like I said, Lorenzo did a great job. He does always with PPF, tint, ceramic. If you are in the Burlington or Oakville area, check out Inception Auto. All right, if you are looking for a spoiler, I do recommend the Hansshow one. It comes in both matte finish as well as gloss. Both are carbon fiber, and it's really easy to install, so check it out. Go over to autopart.com. I will have the link in the description below, and use promo code NortonTesla to save a bit of money. So check it out, autopart.com. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content like this accessories, product reviews, as well as how-tos, tips and tricks, all kinds of Tesla stuff. So check it out, subscribe, really helps the channel grow. You get better content. I already said that, so let's just move on. Anyways, thanks for watching. Anyways, we'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. You may think that the performance Model 3 is so much faster than the long range, but all right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here, Tesla. Now, before you guys roast me in this we're gonna take a little break for you guys to subscribe.